Here's a simple and delicious recipe for tofu and broccoli fried rice. Tofu and broccoli fried rice. Ingredients: 2 cups cooked jasmine rice, preferably chilled. 14 ounces 400 grams firm tofu, pressed and cubed. 2 cups broccoli florets. 1 carrot, diced. 1/2 cup frozen peas. 3 green onions, sliced. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon sesame oil. 1 tablespoon vegetable oil. 1 teaspoon ginger, grated. Sesame seeds for garnish, optional. Salt and pepper to taste. Instructions. 1. Prepare ingredients. 1. Press the tofu to remove excess water, then cut it into small cubes. 2. Cook jasmine rice according to package instructions and let it cool. 2. Chilled rice works best for fried rice. 2. Cook tofu. 1. In a large skillet or wok, heat vegetable oil over medium-high heat. 2. Add tofu cubes and cook until golden brown on all sides. 2. Remove tofu from the pan and set aside. 3. Cook vegetables. 1. In the same skillet, add a bit more oil if needed. 2. Add minced garlic and grated ginger, sautéing for about 30 seconds until fragrant. 3. Add diced carrot, broccoli florets, and frozen peas. 3. Cook until the vegetables are tender but still crisp. 4. Add rice. 1. Add the chilled cooked rice to the vegetables. 1. Break up any clumps and stir-fry for a few minutes until the rice is heated through. 5. Combine tofu and sauce. 1. Return the cooked tofu to the skillet with the rice and vegetables. 2. Drizzle soy sauce and sesame oil over the mixture. 3. Toss everything together until well combined. 3. Adjust the seasoning with salt and pepper to taste. 6. Finish and garnish. 1. Stir in sliced green onions. 2. Optional, sprinkle sesame seeds over the fried rice for added crunch and flavor. 7. Serve. 1. Spoon the tofu and broccoli fried rice onto serving plates. 2. Enjoy your delicious and nutritious homemade fried rice. This tofu and broccoli fried rice is a quick and satisfying meal that's perfect for a weeknight dinner. Feel free to customize the vegetables or add a dash of sriracha for some heat. Enjoy!